Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you, or show you how to change the battery of an air conditioner remote control, or how to replace batteries in an Aircon remote controller. This is a very easy and quick tutorial, friends. So now, let's start. To prevent damage, remove the batteries when not being used for a long time. First, open the battery compartment cover, at the back of this remote. As you can see, there's an arrow guide. Just slide the cover down, or simply push it forward according to an arrow guide. Just like this. You can now see here the batteries of your remote. To remove the old battery, just gently push it and lift up. I'm gonna use my finger or nails. Just like this. The size of my battery is AAA. I'm gonna insert my new batteries now. If the bottom has the spring, the flat, or negative side, of the battery goes in first. If the bottom is flat, the raised, or positive side of the battery goes in. Just like this. After we inserted the batteries, let's close the battery compartment cover. That's it, friends, of how to change the battery of an air conditioner remote control.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.